Hello friends, I am Renu and let's start general knowledge questions for class 7. Today's topic is about quiz. The question says tick the correct option or options. First question. This famous cathedral in Paris is the options are Notre Dame, Champs-Élysées, Palais Garnier. Before we continue, I'll show you the picture. See, this is the picture of cathedral. Okay. Now you have to identify what's the name. The answer for question number 1 is Notre Dame. This is a cathedral. And do you know the meaning of cathedral? It means a big church, a very, very huge church. Now let's also discuss other options. Champs-Élysées, इट्स एक्चुअली एन एवेन्यू. एवेन्यू मतलब मार्ग. तो ये किसी एक मार्ग का नाम है, जैसे पार्क एवेन्यू, कोई कोई अलग अलग रास्ते होते हैं ना. तो वैसे ही चैम्प्स एलिसिस इट्स एन एवेन्यू. नेक्स्ट ऑप्शन पलायस गार्नियर. इट्स एन ओपेरा हाउस. ओपेरा यू नो म्यूजिकल परफॉर्मेंस जो थिएटर में देते हैं लोग, लाइव परफॉर्मेंस भी कई बार देते हैं. सो पलायस गार्नियर इज एन ओपेरा हाउस. That means it cannot be cathedral. Champs-Élysées, it cannot be cathedral because it's avenue. ये तो कोई रास्ता का नाम है. So the final answer is your Notre Dame, which is a big church in Paris. Moving on to question number 2. Where would you find the research stations Maitri and Bharti? Now Maitri and Bharti are two research stations which are installed by India, and the place where you can find it is in Antarctica. Okay, तो ये दोनों रिसर्च स्टेशन मैत्री एंड भारती अंटार्कटिका में है. एंड पीपल स्टडी अबाउट ओशन एंड द कॉन्टिनेंट with the help of these stations. Moving on to question number 3. This South American animal is the largest living rodent. It is a capybara, guinea pig, beaver. Now you have the picture over here. This picture you have to identify, and this is from South American. Do you know what is the meaning of rodent? It means कृंतक, कतरने वाले जानवर. जैसे चूहा गिलहरी होते हैं उनको रोडेंट बोलते हैं. द आंसर फॉर दिस क्वेश्चन इज कैपिबारा. कैपिबारा इज दिस अमेरिकन एनिमल एंड दिस इज द लार्जेस्ट लिविंग रोडेंट. ये कतरने वाले जानवरों में सबसे बड़ा माना जाता है. इट्स अ केवी रोडेंट. ये गुफा बना के और उसमें रहते हैं. उदबिलाव, हिंदी वर्ड क्या है इसके लिए? उदबिलाव. नाउ लेट्स डिस्कस अदर ऑप्शंस एज वेल. Guinea pig, see the pronunciation. It is pronounced as guinea pig. Now, Guinea is the name of a place, but this animal is not from Guinea, and it does not look like pig also. वो pig की तरह भी नहीं दिखता है, but still it has the name as guinea pig because it sounds like pig. उसका sound जो है ना वो pig की तरह होता है, इसलिए उसको guinea pig बोलते हैं. Next option is beaver. Beaver is nocturnal semi-aquatic animal and it makes dam. डैम वगैरह बनाते हैं ये वाले बीवर जो होते हैं. नॉक्टर्नल मीन्स विच कम्स आउट एट नाइट. तो ये रात में निकलते हैं और पानी में भी रहते हैं, ज़मीन पे भी रहते हैं. सो लाइक दैट. आंसर फॉर थर्ड वन इज कैपिबारा. मूविंग ऑन टू क्वेश्चन 4. Which of the following diseases has been eradicated from India? Eradicate करना मतलब बिल्कुल दूर कर देना. Options are polio, tuberculosis, chikungunya. The right answer for question 4 is polio. That polio has been eradicated from India. Other options TB, इसको हिंदी में यक्षमा बोलते हैं. It's a disease which affects lungs को affect करता है TB. And chikungunya, it's also a disease in which people have fever, joint pain, ठीक है, ये सब होता है उनको. And it occurs because of the bite of Aedes mosquito. Aedes mosquito you have heard ना, it is also responsible for dengue. तो Aedes mosquito के काटने से चिकनगुनिया भी होता है. So the answer for fourth one is polio. Moving on to question number 5. The world's highest lake on which large vessels can ply is. Large vessels means ship. They are talking about ship की वर्ल्ड के सबसे ऊंचे झील का नाम बताइए जहाँ पर बड़े बड़े शिप वगैरह प्लाई करते हैं, मतलब आते जाते हैं. ऑप्शंस, लेट्स सी द ऑप्शंस. डल लेक, लेक बैकल, लेक टिटिकाका. द आंसर फॉर क्वेश्चन 5 इज लेक टिटिकाका. ये आपका फ्रेश वाटर लेक है and it is on the Andes mountain on the border of Bolivia and Peru. And Andes mountain is in South America, right? So world's highest lake कौन सा? Lake Titicaca. Okay, and what are other options? Dal Lake ये कहाँ पर है? It's in Jammu and Kashmir, that you know. And Lake Baikal, ये जो lake है आपका, it's in Russia. And it is the deepest. Lake Baikal is the deepest lake. Now, the next question is, the game that is played with tiles, that have Chinese symbols on them is it Tangram, Huapian, Mahjong? Now, we have a picture for this one. Wait a minute. Okay, so this is the game which has been shown here. We have to identify what is the name of this game which is made up of tiles. ये आपको tiles दिख रहे हैं यहाँ पे, इस पे Chinese symbol बने. The answer for this one is Mahjong. ये जो game है इसका नाम है Mahjong. Then Tangram क्या होता है? Tangram is also a game and it's a puzzle game, right? Let's move on to next question. Who among these people has won both a Grammy and Nobel? आपको आदमियों के नाम दिए हुए हैं and you have to identify किसको Grammy and Nobel दोनों प्राइज मिले. Is it Nicolas Sarkozy, Barack Obama or Bill Clinton? Now see, the answer for this one is Barack Obama. He has won both Grammy and Nobel Prize. And Barack Obama was the 44th president of USA, United States of America. उसके ये 44वें president थे. And he had won Nobel Prize in 2009. इनको Nobel Prize 2009 में मिला था, Peace Prize मिला था. And Grammy Award he had won twice, in 2006 also and in 2009 also. Now let's discuss another option. Nicolas Sarkozy, he was former president of France. Nicolas Sarkozy was former president of France. And Bill Clinton was 42nd president of USA. So Bill Clinton was elected president before Barack Obama was elected. Barack Obama was 44th president. Bill Clinton was 42nd president. And in fact, Bill Clinton has also won Grammy Award in 2004, but he never won Nobel Prize. Okay, so the answer for this one is Barack Obama. Moving on to question number 8. Diet is a name for the parliament of. किस पार्लियामेंट का नाम डाइट है? Is it Poland, Norway or Japan? The answer for this one is Japan. The name for the parliament of Japan is Diet. Then Poland, there is no official name of parliament for Poland, okay? And Norway, the parliament is called as Storting. Storting. This is the name for parliament of Norway, Storting. Okay, let's now discuss next question. The headquarters of London Metropolitan Police is known as. जो लंदन मेट्रोपॉलिटन पुलिस है उसके हेडक्वार्टर को क्या कहा जाता है? इज इट लंदन आई, स्कॉटलैंड यार्ड और पेंटागन? The answer for question number 9 is Scotland Yard. The headquarter is called as Scotland Yard. London Metropolitan Police का headquarter Scotland Yard है. Then what is London Eye and Pentagon? ये क्या क्या है? Okay, so London Eye, this is a tourist destination. It is at the river Thames in London. Thames river के किनारे ये है and it is cantilevered observation wheel. ये एक बड़ा सा व्हील है जिसको देखने के लिए बहुत सारे लोग वहाँ जाते हैं. नेक्स्ट इज पेंटागन. पेंटागन इज द हेडक्वार्टर बिल्डिंग ऑफ यूएस डिपार्टमेंट ऑफ डिफेंस. पेंटागन क्या है आपका? वो एक हेडक्वार्टर है जो कि किसका है? यूएस डिपार्टमेंट ऑफ डिफेंस का हेडक्वार्टर कहाँ पर है? पेंटागन में, राइट. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, क्वेश्चन नंबर 10th. वेट. Question 10. The Snellen chart is used for eye test, blood test or IQ test. The answer for 10th is eye test. आपने देखा भी होगा जब आप चश्मा बनवाने जाते हो, you have to read one chart. There is one chart on which alphabets are written in 6 lines and that chart is called Snellen chart. उस chart को क्या बोलते हैं? Snellen chart. Then for blood test, blood is taken, that we know. IQ test is regarded as a test for intelligence of human. Next, 11th question. Borobudur is a huge Buddhist temple in. Borobudur एक बहुत ही बड़ा temple है, Buddhist temple है. Is it in Myanmar, Thailand or Indonesia? The answer for this one is Indonesia. Understood? Next question. Pick Christ the Redeemer, a landmark of Rio Janeiro, Brazil. तो ब्राज़ील रियो में क्राइस्ट द रिडीमर का एक्चुअल पिक्चर कौन सा है? द आंसर फॉर दिस वन इज ए पार्ट. दिस इज द पिक्चर ऑफ क्राइस्ट द रिडीमर. With this one we have come to the end of question number 1. There will be one more part of this lesson. Do watch it, guys. Thank you.